and the style, of course, complete carbon fiber with no gaps in between, make this watch band one of the more elegant watch bands on the market. What's going on YouTube? It's time to upgrade my Galaxy Watch 5's boring old silicone band, and it's time to get something a little bit more classy, a little bit more modern, a little bit more, well, a lot more stylish. This is an ultra light and durable 1K carbon fiber band that only weighs 28 grams, and it's something that I think is going to really beef up the looks of my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It'll work for Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, Galaxy Watch 5, and of course my 5 Pro. So this is not only durable, but it's also versatile at that. Let's go ahead and check out this carbon fiber band from Pitaka. This will run you about $89, but there's always some kind of sale, so check my link down below if you're interested in picking it up. Picking up this watch band means you're going to have a really durable and stylish band. I'm going to show you how to install it and of course what it looks like on the Galaxy Watch 5. But this is the band, and I gotta tell you right out the gate, carbon fiber looks awesome in my opinion, and it not only looks awesome, but it's also really light. This hardly weighs anything in my hand, so that's definitely what you want when you pick up a new watch band. You don't want this to weigh you down. Not only is the watch band itself durable, but the clasp itself is durable at that, and it's a magnetic clasp, so that just means it's really going to stay secure and tight on your wrist. So if I show you this here, you can see the two parts are really attracted to each other. They just can't keep their parts off. So let me just show you that once again, and it's snapping into place all by itself. Let me show you that one more time, guys, a different angle. Really durable and stylish, but enough talk about it. Let's go ahead and install it onto my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro here. Taking a look at the instructions, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do it, but you do get your pin removal tool, so if you need to remove any links, this is what you're going to use. And you do get your quick release pins here as well. So let me just go ahead and take out two of these spring bars, because this is what we're going to need to attach the Pitaka band to it. With any watch band, there's two sides, so just make sure you install it with the right side up. So let's go ahead and take one of these sides here and insert this quick release pin. Next, go ahead and attach it into your Galaxy Watch. And now the next step is to get this little tool and push down the pin head. And it'll snap into place just like that. Very simple. Let me show you how to do that on the other side once again. Make sure the push pin is on the bottom, just like so. And do the same thing on the watch side. Get one of those pinholes in. And then next, push down the pin itself. And it'll snap into place just like that. So before I actually put this on my wrist, I just want to show you the curvature of the Pitaka carbon fiber band matches up perfectly with the Galaxy Watch 5 here. They didn't just make a straight edge like a lot of other manufacturers out there. This actually fits the curvature of the Galaxy Watch 5 here. Now to open it up, really simple. Just go ahead and press down on these two little buttons here. And let's go ahead and put this on my wrist. And before I even turned it around, it already snapped into place. So just to show you guys, you get a lot of play, and they do sell extra links if you need to. I think this is good for about 178 millimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and take out some links here because I obviously don't need this many links. To remove the links, go ahead and remove the top portion first by inserting the pin tool right into one of the links itself. And then you'll see on the band you have all these little pinholes, and that's what you're going to use to go ahead and remove these links. So again, I think I'm going to have to remove two. So just go ahead and press one in, pull up gently, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then it just pops out just like that. Put the extra pins and links back in the box so you don't lose them. But this is the Pitaka carbon fiber Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro watch band. I think this looks really nice, guys. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments below. If you already purchased one, shoot me a photo on Twitter. I'd love to see what it looks like on the black Galaxy Watch 5 or the Galaxy Watch 4. When it comes to the durability of the clasp, super durable. Let's do the shake test. Definitely not falling off. And if I yank on it, not opening up either. So really a sturdy, very sturdy clasp in my opinion. And the style, of course, complete carbon fiber with no gaps in between. Make this watch band one of the more elegant watch bands on the market. Again, this is what it looks like on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. This is an awesome looking band, and if you are interested in picking it up, there's always a sale, so check my link down below. Really appreciate you guys watching as always. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in another video.